Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I want to share with you what does normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here, I keep you updated. I bring all the latest happening, the latest update to you. So, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is about to appear in court tomorrow, the 21st of March 2025. And guess what? A lot of people are ready. A lot of people are really waiting to see what is going to happen. The world is going to watch this live. And trust Progress the Analyst. I'm going to carry you every step along the way. So if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please smash on that red button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you will be the first to notify whenever I drop any update. You can also join by supporting this channel by joining our membership. Thank you so much as I look forward to seeing you. So without not wasting much of your time, let's dive into the reason why we are here. As I said before, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court tomorrow, the 21st of March 2025. But there's a lot of things that pile up this coming to court again. The other part of it, according to the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't need any lawyer anymore to defend him. I say, shoo. He said that he's tired, like the lawyers are the ones that are delaying this cause. I say, shoo. We were here when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, Mike Ezekome, Sam, they should step out from his case. They should back off. And since then, Barrister Aloy Ejimakor has been going to court with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to defend him. But this moment, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, no, enough is enough. Maybe I should be the one that will speak. We all were here when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appeared in court. That was last year, November 18th. And what happened? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was able to tell Justice Binta, said, no, you can't handle this case anymore. Enough is enough. I don't want you to step in because you have rescued yourself from this case. So why is it that all of a suddenly you want to take over this case again? He said, no, I don't want you. You can't handle this case. I don't want to do anything with this case. In fact, I don't want to see you anymore. If you see what happened the last time, the case was adjourned. And finally, tomorrow is the D-Day, the 21st of March 2025. Come prepared. Because the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is prepared already. The family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, has charged Justice James. That is the new judge. The person that is going to preside over this case tomorrow is Justice James Omotoshe, of the Abuja Federal High Court, to ensure justice is served on March 21st, 2025, when he restarts the trial of the agitator. And also, the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu also said that the judges should know that the world is watching over this case. That any mago, any wuru, they go get am hot. And they also said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to defend himself in the court when trial resume. He said because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no longer wants the story that touches the brain. He know very well that he has not committed any crime, not to law. Wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu do so. A lot of people don't do and pass, but nothing happened. We've heard about the story, what is happening in the northern part of Nigeria. Nothing happened. Why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu could be different? We all know, we all have seen the video where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was shouting that the country should be stable. Like his people should not be third class or second class citizen, that they want everybody to be equal. Yes, so he said they don't need this wuru anymore. What happened? They refused to buy to his idea. They look at him and say, oh, what can you do? Who are you? Who sent you here? And that is the problem we are facing today. Everybody is not to your tent, O Israel. In one way or the other, everybody is just minding their business, doing what they know how to do best. Why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu started to shout. After Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we also heard about another person. The Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. The same thing happened. The people that he was fighting for, the people that he was defending, they later turn back and say, no, we did not need you. You are not doing it well. You are criminal. You are terror. Now the big question is, do you know Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to also rescue himself, like he's going to defend himself? Why is it that you are not a terror? He's going to tell the court tomorrow. It's going to be great. So shame on every one of you who called Simon Ekpa a terror, knowing fully well that Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are fighting the same cause. They are fighting the same battle. Simon Ekpa is in Finland while Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in Nigeria. We all saw the video that the president of Finland said about unity, peace, and not to bring everybody together, while Simon Ekpa is also in that place when he know very well, and he said self-defense is not a crime. Why is it that everything is happening under our nose, our eyes, our ears? We are seeing, we are hearing, we are feeling everything. Oh my goodness, this world is very funny. For a very long time, nobody is talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu anymore. But it's just like they are not getting the feeling that, oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released very soon. And come and see the leaders in southeastern part of Nigeria. Everybody is not saying that the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the future of the Igbo man. The release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will make the Igbo race to be better. The release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will bring peace. All those ones na story. They are only calling Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because they know that he's about to appear in court and it is good for them to talk about him. If not, tell me, if the leaders in southeastern part of Nigeria really persuade the federal government of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, say no, release our son, release our brother to us, by now I think Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be out. But come to think of it, everybody has seen Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as a threat, just like the way they are seeing Simon Ekpa, that Simon Ekpa is a threat. Until now, Simon Ekpa is out of the sight, and what they are facing right now, it is unbelievable, and they are crying, and I know how wish we know what is really happening. Oh, how could this be true? At the end of this court hearing tomorrow, those people that are shouting about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they will keep calm till another court hearing again. Abba, let the leaders of southeastern part of Nigeria, they should not be doing this. They should just try and know what they want. Let them talk to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Enough of all this. So my beautiful family, my own is for me to come and analyze and tell you the way the thing is happening. The big picture now is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court tomorrow, the 21st of March 2025. Hope you are ready. Please do well to share this video and let it go viral. Thank you and bye for now.